This video shows how to install and configure Used to Be My Home 2. First, you have to download and install the Google Earth Pro application. Once Google Earth is started, make the sidebar visible. By using the right mouse button, you can delete the sightseeing tour. Now you can add a new network link. You can choose any names, for example my home, and use the link which is in the download description with pointing Used to Be My Home 2. Then deactivate the layers which should be visible. Hide the sidebar and deactivate the navigation. And also you can remove the text below by using an invisible font. For that you have to install an invisible font which you can find in the video description too.